Welcome to Analog Technologies. I am 李东明。
Now I will introduce one low noise constant current laser driver for you. The part number is ATLS500mA106. ATLS500mA106 main feature: low noise, high speed, high precision. The output noise density is 100 nanoampere. The maximum current of a ATLS500mA106D is 500 milliampere. With different low maximum output current change is 0.7 milliampere. The current setting accuracy is 0.1%.
If you want to know more about our production, please visit our website. Thank you.